up into our heads-up display, which you'll see in your mask. 4 lights on the right, 3 lights on the left. The lights on the right are going to be your air consumption and how much air you have left. When you have 4 green lights, you are sitting at 75 to 100% of the bottle, which in our bottle case, you're at 3375 PSI up to 4500 PSI. We go down to 3 lights at 2250 up to that 3375 or 50% to 74. 2 yellow lights, 1620 PSI to 2250 PSI. And then 1 red light is 0% to 35%. So 0 to that 1620 PSI. When these lights come on, they don't stay on all the time. So you won't see them constantly in your mask. You will see them flash when your air changes, or if you press your button on your control module. The only time this light will stay on is when you get down to that 1 red light. It'll stay on, alerting you that you have low air. On the left side, we have either a triangle, a little red running man, and then a yellow battery. When we get to the mask, I'll hopefully get an insert that I can add into this video for a better picture so you can see it a little bit better. But the blue flashing triangle, which will be the farthest right on your left side, means that your temperature alarm is going off. Either you're in a hot environment for too long, or there's been a rapid change in the temperature that's surrounding you. The red guy is going to be the middle light, and it's for our telemetry system. It means that we can set evacuation alerts out. Is low, you'll get a yellow alert on there in your heads-up display. Move into our battery. It's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The only connection port is down here at the bottom. Everything else is sealed. So you can get this wet. I wouldn't recommend it, but if it does get wet in the fire, you're okay. The battery lives on the back. Like I said, it's connected to the power module and supplies power to the entire pack. So when you're checking, you want to make sure that these contact points are clean, there's no corrosion, and then same on that pack. You can see down in here, there's tiny little pins. We want to make sure all those pins are there, there's no corrosion and no damage has occurred, and especially no water in there when we put the new battery in. To insert the battery, make sure you got the right end going down to the contact point. You just slide it in and you'll hear a click. After the click, the pack will automatically turn on every time you put a battery in, and it'll go through its startup procedure. So you'll see green lights flashing, it chirps saying that it's on. Split this out a little bit better so we can see. So you'll see we have red on our control module. The back of it's red, it's flashing red. You have a red flashing light on your regulator, and it matches your pack. The red is because we don't have any air connected, so that's our 0% air going through our system. Anytime our light status changes on the regulator, it'll also reflect on our pack. Before we put the bottle in, you'll see a white light down here. Like I said, it's to illuminate the area of the UAC for our transfill operations. Just gives us a little extra light to help hopefully make that connection a little bit quicker. So if you let your pack sit for too long, that pre-pass alarm goes off, and it's all integrated into our control module. So if you don't move for a certain amount of time, you'll start hearing that. And if you don't move the pass device, then it'll go into full alarm. So I'll set that to the side, and as I put the bottle in, we'll let it go to full alarm, and I'll show you how to reset it. Bottle just slides in from the top or the bottom, and there's the little dovetails that match up there, and I'll dig more into it in just a second.